this Witch City Collector presentation. I'm Paul, and in this video we're gonna unbox the HW Exposed Engines 5-pack. We'll slide that out of the way. We'll zoom you out a little and take a look at what's in the pack. That's the 5-pack in all its glory. Actually, what we're gonna do is, better yet, so I can get a decent. We'll play around. Bear with me, so I can get a decent thumbnail. This pack, oh no glare, there we go, that's a good one. The HW Exposed 5-pack, so get you back to where it should be. Pop the wheel in. It's going to have the 64 Nova wagon gasser, the Fiat 500C, the 68 Corvette gas monkey garage, the bone shaker, and the rigger motor. I bought it for, it's basically for 2 cars. See if you can guess which 2. Drop a comment below if you guess. I'm gonna go, I don't know if I want to do an order of how I like them or what. We'll just go random order. It's got 8. These are 5-pack exclusives, so didn't really care for this one. Didn't really care for the gassers. The wagons aren't bad, but it's a beautiful sort of metallic burgundy wine red color with orange, looks like orange brown, maybe orange and white tampos, orange red and bright tampos. Chevy logo there. Gasser Club, chrome interior, 5 spokes. Take a look at it spinning around on the wheel. Let's move on to the next car, which I'll probably end up keeping the Gas Monkey Garage Corvette here because it's an orange, white, and yellow, white, yellow, black tampos. I know it doesn't like it. It doesn't like me. The trimmed wheels, chrome interior again, white plastic base, tinted smoke windows. I don't have any loose closed roof bone shakers, but I know there's a fair number of people that collect bone shakers, so I could be willing to trade this one away because it's a 5-pack exclusive. Beautiful matte or flat gray, slate gray. Sort of a bronze interior for the pipes, the engine, the skull, the gas tank, and the interior, obviously. Black or dark gray plastic base, and some nice, I don't think called split 5 spokes. Who knows what they call it? I'm not with the wheel names. And we've got the Fiat 500C in a wonderful metal flake blue with some silver, blue tint, bluish silver, white and yellow flames. Big chrome interior with a chrome engine, the blower, and the pipes. Sort of a metallic plastic gold roll cage and wing, black plastic base, and the gold chrome 5 spokes. And since we're all about everything Halloween here in the Witch City, the star of the 5-pack is the rigger motor in purple with the spiderweb design on the top, rigger motor on the side, lime green plastic base with the pipes, chrome interior because it's got the chrome engine, steely wheels, lime green lipped steely wheels. Let's just take that one, spin around for a couple of seconds. Zoom in on that one. Pretty sure this to begin with. But anywho, this has been the HW Exposed Engines 5-pack with the rigger motor, the Nova gasser, the F500C, your Gas Monkey Garage Corvette, and the Bone Shaker. If you made it this far, thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, goodbye.